Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw this triangle using for loops in Java. So for that we are going to follow some steps. First of all, draw this pattern into rows and column format and give number to these lines. In previous video we declared only two variables, that is for lines and for stars. But for this pattern we need to declare three variables, that is for lines, stars and these spaces. We need to declare space count variable for space because this star is at the last position in this line. So to get that star we have to print all these previous spaces. Okay, go back to here. Initialize 5 to lines variable because this pattern has 5 lines. Initialize 1 to star count variable because first line has only one star, and initialize 4 to space count variable because first line has 4 space. Always remember that initialize star count and space count variable by counting the number of stars and spaces in first line. Then we need a loop to control the lines. So first thing is, loop is going to start from 1. Then how much is it going? That depends on the number of lines. Here we have 5 lines, so it will go up to 5. I directly take lines variable. Then each time we are going to increment lines by 1. So take I++. When we have gone through the lines, we need to manage the stars and space. So when I equal to 1, I equal to 2, that is when we are on the first line, second line, we need to define two for loops for star and space. Here we need to print space before star, so we using inner for loop to manage the space. First loop going to start from 1, then it goes up to space count variable, that is 4. Then each time we are going to increment j because when we are on first line we need to print space on first block, second, third and fourth block. When j equal to 1, space will be printed on first block. When j equal to 2, space will be printed on second block. Similarly, when j equal to 3 and j equal to 4. Now what we need to do is, we need to print blank space inside this for loop. So that is the loop for space. Then we using another for loop to manage the stars. This for loop going to start from 1. It goes up to star count variable, that is 1, and each time we are going to increment k by 1 because we need star one after the another on same line. Then print a star inside this for loop. So that is the loop for manage the stars. We know that every time a line is completed we need to shift to next line. So come out of this loop and print new line. Use system.out.println statement for shift to the next line. See the pattern. First line has 4 spaces, second line has 3 spaces, third has 2. Means number of spaces are decreased by 1. So we need to decrease space count variable by 1 after completing each line. So reinitialize the space count variable and star increased by 1 after completing each line. So increase star count variable by 1. Now our coding is completed. Let's see the logic behind this. First of all, we have 3 variables with their values. Then we have a for loop with integer I equal to 1. So first line is selected. Then I less than equal to lines 1 less than equal to 5 checks out the condition, it's true. So enter into this loop. Now we have for loop with integer j equal to 1, j less than equal to space count 1 less than equal to 4, condition true. So print out the space. Then go back to j++, j becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 4, condition true. So print out the space. Then again go back to j++, j becomes 3, 3 less than equal to 4, so print space. Then j++, j becomes 4, 4 less than equal to 4, so again print space. Then j++, j becomes 5, 5 is not less than equal to 4, so end this for loop. Then we have a for loop with integer k equal to 1, k less than equal to star count means 1 less than equal to 1, condition is true, so print star. Then go back to k++, k becomes 2, but 2 not less than equal to 1, so end this for loop and print a new line. Then reinitialize space count variable. Here space is decreased by 1 after completing the line, so space count equal to space count minus 1, so 4 minus 1, space count becomes 3. Then reinitialize star count variable. Here star is increased by 1 after completing the line, so star count equal to star count plus 1, star count becomes 2. Then go back to I++, I becomes 2 now, so line 2 is selected. Then 2 less than equal to 5, condition true, so enter into this for loop. Now for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to space count 1 less than equal to 3, condition true, so print space. Then go back to j++, j becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 3, so print space. Then go back to j++, j becomes 3, 3 less than equal to 3, print space. Then j becomes 4, 4 is not less than equal to 3, so end this for loop and comes to this for loop. Now int k equal to 1, k less than equal to star count 1 less than equal to 2, condition true, print the star. Then k++, k becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 2, so print the star again. Then go back to k++, k becomes 3, but 3 not less than equal to 2, end this for loop and print a new line. Then reinitialize space count variable, space count becomes 2 now and star count becomes 3. Then go back to I++, I becomes 3, so line 3 is selected. Then 3 less than equal to 5, condition true, enter into this for loop, int j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 2, condition true, print space. Then go back to j++, j becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 3, condition true, print space. Then j becomes 3, 3 not less than equal to 2, so end this for loop and come to this for loop. Now int k equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 3, condition true, so print star. Similarly these two stars also printed until the k becomes 4. So print the stars and end this for loop. Now print the new line and reinitialize the space count and star count variable. Space count becomes 1 and star count becomes 4. Then go back to I++. Now I is 4. 4 less than equal to 5, condition true, so enter into this loop. In j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 1, so print space. Then j becomes 2, 2 not less than equal to 1, so end this for loop and comes to this for loop. K equal to 1, k less than equal to star count, 1 less than equal to 4, print star. Similarly, print all the 3 stars on this line until k becomes 5. Then end this for loop and print a new line. Reinitialize space count and star count variable. Space count becomes 0 and star count becomes 5. Now go back to I++. I is 5. 5 less than equal to 5. So enter into this loop. Line 5 is selected. Then here int j equal to 1. J less than equal to space count 1 less than equal to 0. Condition is not satisfied. So end this for loop here. Now come to this for loop. Int k equal to 1. 1 less than equal to 5. Print the star. Similarly print all these stars until the k becomes 6. Now end this for loop and print the new line. Then reinitialize the space count and star count variable. Space count becomes -1 and star count becomes 6. Now go back to I++. I becomes 6. But 6 not less than equal to 5. So that's all. We end this for loop here. And our triangle is completed. Now we will run this program on Eclipse. This is the output. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand the logic behind this.